Hey, it's me, Mrs. B. Are you ready to learn about number lines up to 100 and even using money and coins to help? Then let's get ready to shine and learn. Oh, hang on. I've got a new friend today, boys and girls. Do you want to meet my new friend? You won't believe this. Oh, Gloria. Here's Gloria, boys and girls. Boys and girls, say hi to Gloria. Gloria, say hi to the boys and girls. And mummies and daddies and carers. Here she is. Gloria, do you want to help learn about number lines and using money to count up to 100? Fantastic. Then let's get ready to shine and learn. Gloria, are you ready to have a look at the number line we've made using the pennies? Brilliant. You can see, children and Gloria, that I've already used some 1 penny coins. They're only worth 1 each. So I've put the numbers next to them to show the value. 1, 2 coins, 3 coins, 4, 5 and all the way up to 10. We've got 10 coins. That's represented by the numbers up to 10. I'm going to get some more to make a number line to 20. Gloria, are you ready? Oh, there are some missing. Where have they gone? What's that, Gloria? Do you know where they've gone? No? Oh, well, there's only me and you here, so something's happened to them, hasn't it? Have you taken them, Gloria? I do hope you're not being mischievous. I can spot them just behind you. Can you bring those pennies back, please, Gloria? Dear, dear, dear. How on earth are we going to learn to do our counting, Gloria, if you take those coins away? Tut, tut, children, what's she like? OK, pay attention now, Gloria. So we've got 10 pennies, remember? 1 to 10. 11, help me count. 12, 13, 14. OK, children, and Gloria, are you looking? You'll see what we've done now is all the numbers up to 20. Remember that each penny is worth how many, boys and girls? That's right, just 1. So we've done a number line of 1s up to 20. The next thing we're going to look at are our 2 penny coins. Are we ready? Right, boys and girls, what you can see here now, Gloria, are you paying attention? Brilliant. We've used the pennies to group them into 2s. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all the way still up to 20. We're leaving our number line from 1 to 20 at the top. This time we're going to concentrate on the 2s. I know that 2 pennies are worth the same as 1 2p coin. So now we're using 2p coins. We're going to count in 2s, boys and girls. Can you help me now? So this is 2, or shall we go underneath? Where should we go, Gloria, on top or underneath? On top? OK, so we've got 2, 4, 6. If you're unsure, you can go 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Brilliant. Hopefully you can see each of those 2 penny coins is worth the same as 2 1p coins. And now we've counted in steps of 2s up to 20. Brilliant, boys and girls. Well done, Gloria. Good counting. Brilliant counting now, boys and girls. So we've done a number line from 1 to 20 and we've done a number line from 2 to 20, counting in 2s and also 1s, using our copper coins, 1s and 2s. Join us in the next video when we'll be using silver coins and counting in 5s, 10s, 20s and 50s up to 100. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, folks. Shine and learn. Thanks, Gloria.